Is your Xbox Series S acting weird or not working right? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Xbox Series S step by step, even if you're not good with tech stuff. So sometimes your Xbox freezes, games don't load, or it just feels super slow. That's really frustrating when all you want to do is play. So a reset can fix a lot of these problems, and I'm going to walk you through it the easy way. So first you're going to go to the home screen and you're going to press the Xbox button. Now you're going to scroll right to settings. Second, go to system, then console info. Third, click on reset console. Here you'll see two choices: reset and keep my games and apps, or reset and remove everything. If your Xbox is just being slow, pick the first one. Fourth thing, if you're selling your Xbox or you're giving it away, you're going to choose the second one to wipe everything. Fifth, after you pick one, your Xbox will restart and start fresh. So now that your Xbox should feel brand new and work faster, give me a like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Ciao.